So today we're going to focus on concept 7, number 5, and our equation is tan x over 2 minus sine of x equals 0. And we know that tan of u over 2 will be replaced by 1 cosine u over sine of u minus sine of x equals 0. And from here we'll just add sine of x to 0, which will give us 1 minus cosine of x over sine of x equals sine of x, and to get rid of the sine we have to multiply sine of x, and that will allow us to cancel these two, and from there we have to multiply the other side, and it will give us sine squared x, and we'll have already taken out the sine of x. And from there we would just want to add cosine squared x and subtract minus 1 and make it all go into one side. And from there it will be cosine squared x minus cosine x equals 0. And from there we'll be able to pull out a GCF, and we'll pull out a cosine of x, and then from there we'll just equal it to 0. So we know cosine of x equals 0 and x over h equals 0. So if you look at your unit circle, it should give you 90 degrees, which is pi over 2, and 270 degrees, which is 3 pi over 2. And on the other one, we'll just add 1 on the other side, and we'll look for x x equals 1 on the unit circle, which is 0, and that will give you 0 pi.